is broken, but I don't throw it. So I want to put a plant inside, but I don't want to throw it away.
You don't want to throw your cup? Okay.
Nah.
So let's put plant inside.
You have a beautiful plant. A money plant is a beautiful one, and also I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
What do you love about this plant?
Because look, there's some white coming.
Light green, not white. It's not white, but it's like light green shade. Yes, it's really beautiful. So we are going to propagate it, so we can make more plants with this. Is it a good idea to make more plant? Oh yeah. So let's try. I will show you how to do. Okay. Okay. So first we need some small branches. See, you can see that there are nodes here. You are going to cut the branches that should have node. One node should go inside the water and one will stay up there. So we can get root when it will go inside the water. Okay.
What?
So yeah, see, this is the node. You see, when you put inside the water, you are going to get roots with this. Roots. We will get new roots. We have new roots, then we can grow new plant.
Are you going to cut the roots?
We are not going to cut the roots because we still don't have any root. Okay, so see, we have 1 or 2 here. I'm going to cut this like this, close to the root. Close to the next node here. Just keep it here. I will show you what to do. So we are going to cut. How much we need? Okay, what do you think? How many we should cut?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 2 here.
And then after that, it's the last one.
And we have another branch here that is big enough. We can cut with this one.
It's 3. Now it's 3.
Yeah, okay. And let me see if we can get another one. And we have another branch here. We can take this one as well. Okay, so we have many branches here, right? And we are going to water this plant and put in the close to the window. And this leaf is broken. Let me remove this one.
Remove this leaf.
We cannot grow this one. We cannot get roots with this because this leaf, this one doesn't have any root. Any node. You see, this one has nodes. You need nodes to grow new plant. All right.
Look at this plant. It's broken right here.
Yeah, it's broken. Okay, abhi humne isko kaat diya.
It's right inside.
Yeah, it's just put it here.
Now we do it.
Yes. Now it's the next step. Take your branches and you have to put in your cup.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell what did Mama tell you?
Yeah, Mama told me to. Well, one have to go inside the cup and one have to go outside.
What is that one? It's a nod. Okay.
No, there's a big nut right here.
It's okay. Don't touch it. We don't want to break it.
So big.
You know, you have to arrange them so they look beautiful. Okay. Do you think they look beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to pour water inside. Don't overfill it, okay?
Okay, I do it.
Yeah, so carefully. Fill it to 3/4.
There.
Is it 3/4? You can put a little bit more. That's enough, that's enough. Now you fill it up too much. Okay. Okay. Arrange them so that all the nodes stay inside the water, okay? One inside the water from each branch and one outside the water. Is it like that? Okay. Okay, we are going to arrange them a little bit so they don't fall off, okay? We don't want them to fall out of the water. We want them to stay inside the water. And it's good idea if you can place it close to the window so it can get sunlight, because we are in Canada, we have snow outside, we cannot leave it outdoor. Okay, Hannah, can we leave it outdoor? It's gonna survive? No, it's so much cold outside.
Then it's going to die.
Yeah, so we are going to place this close to the window.
Sorry, plants. You have to put you in a new home.
Yeah, it's going to a new home. And from the mother plant, this is the mother plant. You can say mama plant. And these are baby plants. And when they're gonna grow the roots, you will keep checking those roots from here, okay? When they will grow roots, we can plant them inside the soil, okay?
Which one?
Like in the earth, dirt. We will put in the pot. Okay, so let's put them close to the window. Let's come with me.
Okay.
We can put in the kitchen window. Still we outside have too much snow, but inside we are going to plant.
The plant.
You know the spring is coming in few days. So plant is gonna be really happy to grow up here close to the window. Okay? Every day or every other day you have to change the water. Okay?
I want to say on the wall.
Okay.
I want to say thank you for watching my video.
Okay, say it.
Thank you for watching my video.
You're welcome. Please like and subscribe if you're new to this channel, or if you like our video, don't forget to share with your friends. Allah Hafiz. Can we say Allah Hafiz?
Allah Hafiz.